Hey guys, today I'm gonna have Cheeto Puffs, Cheeto Puffs Flamin' Hot, and Baconettes, Chicharrones hot sauce with Red Hot Original look. Before I begin, okay. Before I start this video, I just want to thank the Batman slippers for sponsoring today's video. Whoa, look at how the Batman. So I love Batman. I love the Batman. Do I love the Batman? I love the Batman too. Look. Mom always buy those. Then mine's yesterday. So let's get started, okay? Okay. So let's get started. It's going to be really spicy. Baconettes, chicharrones, hot sauce, Frank's Red Hot Original. Okay, I'm gonna try it quick. Showers will be with us for Tuesday morning, so keep it in mind as you get ready for your second day heading back to the classroom, and all that rain continues through much of Tuesday afternoon. That's system number one. A second system comes our way later in the work week, Thursday and Friday, and I do want to wish you to a chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms Thursday afternoon. Julian, as you can imagine, a lot to break down as springtime thunderstorms. The timing and the details coming up. Tis the season. Okay, Zach, we'll see you in a little bit. Thank you. I'm gonna try this one, okay? This little hint of spiciness. We asked our viewers on the WRL Facebook page, what do you plan to do with it? Earlier tonight, WRL's Aaron Thomas spoke to one man who said he's donating part of his check to the group to help him turn his life around. Whoops, did I fall off the little piece up there? The little piece up there. The little piece up there. The corn. Yeah. Oh, the corn pieces. Yeah. We asked viewers on our WRL Facebook page about their plans with their stimulus check. One comment is he and his wife plan to donate to local charities in need. And another viewer says she's saving for a house. Turner looks forward to donating 10% to the Durham Rescue Mission as a thank you. Everything I need is provided. I've been able to accomplish a lot of things thanks to